In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage anchor links in HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. Anchor links let visitors jump straight to a specific section of your page, which is great for long content, FAQs, or guiding users to a form. Let's walk through how to add them clearly and confidently. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account and opening the Home dashboard. From the main navigation at the top, look for the More menu. Hover your mouse to reveal additional options, then move over to Content. From that expanded list, select Landing Pages. This takes you to your library of pages. Find the landing page you want to update and open it in the editor. If you have a lot of pages, use the search bar or filters to locate it quickly. Once the editor loads, click into the text area that contains the words you want to turn into a link. It helps to highlight just the exact phrase your visitors will click, like jump to pricing or go to FAQs, so the link is clear and accessible. With the text selected, click the link icon in the formatting toolbar. This opens the link panel. At the top of that panel, open the URL type dropdown. Instead of linking to an external website or a different page, choose Anchor on this page. This option tells HubSpot you want the link to scroll within the same page. Next, click Choose an Anchor. You'll see a list of available anchors that already exist on the page. These are usually created by your theme, modules, or headings that have anchor IDs assigned to them. Pick the anchor that matches the section you want visitors to land on. Think of names like Pricing, Features, or Contact Form. After selecting it, click Insert to apply the link. Before you publish or update your page, use the preview to test the link. Click it and confirm the page scrolls smoothly to the intended section. If it doesn't, double-check that you chose the correct anchor from the list, or verify that the target section actually has an anchor ID configured by your template or content module. To manage existing anchor links later, simply click the linked text again, open the link panel, and choose a different anchor or remove the link if it's no longer needed. Keep your link text descriptive so visitors and screen readers know exactly where the link will take them, and avoid using vague words like here. That's it. Your anchor link is now set, making your page easier to navigate and faster for visitors to find what they need.